Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. This is the second part of the first part of this video from yesterday or from today, just before this one, so be sure to check out that video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. Yeah, we got this for $99, your choice here, pretty much, for the Cobalt. Then we got 26 piece for $19.49 is right there. $199 for the 215 piece. Some stores did have this on sale, I believe a few months back. They were reporting crazy prices, so just keep an eye out. Here's one here for $24.98. $129 and you get a blower and a string trimmer, so that's a great deal if you have a house, a small yard or something like that. So $16.98 for that Craftsman light. I believe it's on clearance. It is corded, so just to let you know, power tool box. $15.98 for the I believe it's black and gold, so those are black and gold. Really nice kit. 14 piece there with the clear case, really nice. And I believe they are yeah, just a few of them left there. We got $9.98 for the DeWalt 7 1/4 24 tooth. And then we got the Spider $59.98, the little bench there. And then we got some toolboxes here, $7.98 or $7.68, my bad. So $7.68. I put the screen back so you guys could get a better view out of these toolboxes. I really like this black and black with red stripes here, really nice. This one's my favorite color. Really like the green. $5.98. I believe they were on sale last year for $4.98, as low as $4.98. Some people were reporting that, so really great deals there. And then really nice drawers, self-closing. Well, not self-closing, but really soft closing there. That's really nice color. I really like the black. And then they do have the USB, and then do have the power adapters there, so you can put your power tools up there and charge them up. And that's another Craftsman there. $4.39 for the bottom part. Not a bad deal for a 52-inch. So $4.39 for that. It was $4.89 by the way. So that's what it was right there. Then we got some more over here. Really nice sets. But like I said, my favorite colors are the black with red stripes, so the other way around basically. From these boxes here, they got really nice drawers, self-closing. Says box there, made in the USA. That's Craftsman. They do have the power strips on the top, just like the other one. And then that's a bigger one right there, $8.78. Really nice. Yeah, these are really nice toolboxes. Got a Cobalt black, pretty much the same as the one on the other side, but in black. And then we had some workstations, the 2-in-1 for $139. It's like a portable workbench. Then $69 for the $69.98. Then $49.98 for the 48 piece. $149 for the 150 piece, so just under $1. $99 for the 81 piece. And then $159 for the 319 piece. $179 for the 100 piece. So you just gotta, like I said, watch for different prices. Sometimes you'll get some good clearance on those. Now that the holiday deals are getting here, they're gonna start replacing the tool sets and everything. And then that's the Craftsman section here, which this Lowe's has it different. You get a circular saw for $129, light for $32.98, And they have that one on sale, the compressor, for $249. It is battery operated, just to let you know. $129 for that 3-ton jack. And they got the Cobalt XTRs, really nice tools. They look really nice, the black and the blue. So really nice tools there. They do come with the case. Really nice grip there, and they got a switch right there. I guess for if you want to do like a hammer drill, and then they got the circular saw brushes. Got the impact driver there. Really good with black and blue. Really nice colors. And $129 for the Craftsman compressor. It's a 6-gallon. $189 for the Quiet Tech. 80% more quieter, 4.3 gallons. $129 for the 2-gallon. And then $139 for the 8-gallon, oil free. That's not too bad. You got some more over here. $19.98 for that 2-piece clamp set. Looks really nice. Jorgensen. Looks really nice. Haven't seen these before, but just something new to me. $199 for that double twin stack. And then $169 for that. It's a nice kit there if you guys want to get like an all-inclusive kit. And then $349 for that 4-piece combo kit. Seems like they're all brushless tools, XR. So really nice. And then you got $249 for that 2-piece combo kit made in the USA. Impact driver and drill driver. And then you got the same thing but a non-USA. $229. And then you got a charger, like a multi-port charger, $79 for Cobalt. 24 volts. And then a battery there. And then I found this Black & Decker. This is like a DIY kit here with the tub, or a plastic tub, and the drill inside. You got some Linux. Got a drill driver there, made in the USA, $179. Believe those are hammer drills. So $129 for that brushless drill. Got another one there. It's a nice but $9.98. $199 for the 1/4 inch impact driver. And then $349 for that's the same thing. $179 for the XR. Then $14.98 for that the bigger kit on the back, not the one on the front. 82-piece. So you get a lot of bits. If you're DIY, don't have any bits, that's a great kit to get. $24.98. We did get that kit for $16, I believe, $15. We got it. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, check it out. We did get that one for like $16, around $16. $83.95 or $85. Just like it's on clearance. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, member to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one.